A couple tips for putting together your little Flora craft kit. After you already have it painted, when you go to glue it together, when you want to put your base on, you're going to put a ring of glue right here and just set your base on. And tacky glue does take up to 10 minutes to adhere. Then you're also going to use tacky glue. So on the bigger hole in the front is going to be for your beak, and then you have a little hole in the back. You're going to put a dab of tacky glue and just put in your feather. Now, if your feather happens to be leaning back, what you could do is always put a dab of tacky glue up here, and then you could use a rubber band to help keep your feathers standing up better if that's what you want. Also, you're going to use your tacky glue to glue in your beak. The best way to do that is to put a little bit of glue right in the beak and to stick that in. Then you're also going to have your little feet, which I would recommend putting just a little dab on the actual foot and sticking it to the gourd that way.